disaster, a traveler passed along the road wrapped in a cloak. Let us are free, said the sun, that he is the stronger who can strip the traveler of his cloak. Very well, wrote the north wind, and at once sent a cold, howling blast against the traveler with the first blast of wind. The ends of the cloak whipped about the traveler's body, but he immediately wrapped it closely around him, and the harder wind blew the tighter he pulled it to him. The north wind tore angrily at the cloak, but all his efforts were in vain. Then the sun began to shine. At first, his beams were gentle and incessant, one after the bitter cold of north wind. The traveler unfastened his cloak and let it hang loosely from his shoulders. The sun's rays grew warmer and warmer. The man took off his cap and broke his brow. At last, he became so heated, he pulled off his clothes, and to escape the blazing sunshine, threw himself in the welcome shade of a tree by the roadside.